Right, so have a look, have a look. So you can see I sprayed it on quite thickly and it's not going anywhere. Let me just put my initial on there, we are, see? Look at that. So it's not gonna run. So that's fantastic. All right, Nick, so this is the side where you are not gonna do any welding spatter.
Right, so these are the two pieces of steel that we've prepared earlier. So we've ground all the surfaces and these are ready to weld. We've clamped them in the right place, and what we're going to do now is not treat this side with the anti-spatter, and we're going to do the weld along the joint.
So we're gonna show them what the weld looks like and the spatter jumping all over the place, so at least they get an idea.
Yeah.
And then you can complete the weld and we'll see afterwards what it looks like.
Yeah, that's
right,
cool.
Good, ready?
Right, okay.
Let me just get the protection over the lens so we don't end up damaging. All right, I think we're good to go, mate. Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Right, so that's it now. Complete, and we can see lots of spatter and discoloration. So what we're going to do now is flip it over.
Yeah.
Apply the spray.
Apply the anti-spatter.
Yep.
And then do the same again.
Awesome. All right,
Right.
Shall we do that then?
Okay, so let me just unclick the earth. Okay, flip that over. We just do that. Okay.
Right, so here we go. We've got the
Yep.
anti-spatter. Give it a good
So
good
we'll
coat
just
in
give
there,
that
Nick.
so we'll just give that a coat like that.
Yeah, make sure you get all the way up to the edge because you know what it's like.
Yeah. And then
Little
we go
balls,
right
as you
to the
saw
edge,
when we were welding, all the little molten balls were jumping up and spattering all over the place.
So that's now right.
Right, we ready for that one?
Oh, I'll just put a little bit. In fact, I just put a little bit more on there. There you go.
Okay.
Right. So you can actually weld through this while it's still wet.
Yep.
Okay.
Go for it, pal.
Right. So here we go. Hang on. Ready? Go.
And obviously you can see the balls jumping all over the place as well. And we'll come back to this once we're finished. All right, so done. So let's have a
Right.
look.
So there you go. You can see where obviously all the splatter's all gone across, yeah, and you can see where the run marks are.
Shall we brush it off and see
Shall
what?
we? Yeah, let's
There you go.
get the wire. Oh, there's the wire brush. Okay. And look at that. This is remarkably splatter-free. There you go.
Yeah.
There's the odd couple of balls, but not.
Flip it over. Let's have a look at the other side.
Hang on, let me just quickly take the grips off. And if
Oh,
you look
yeah.
at that, we just give that a wire brush as well.
Oh,
You can actually
You
mind it is hot.
You can feel a lot more across
Yeah.
there. Yeah. Flip it back over. Oh
There you
yeah.
go.
Oh yes.
You can, yeah, mind that's warm.
Yeah. So cleanup here would be much less time
Yeah.
consuming.
Yeah.
Well,
much
job
easier.
done. Look at that big old thumb coming up there. Yes. Well done, buddy.
Well done.
Shake your
good,
hand.
good
Nice.
job.